Creating the perfect study or office desk is more than just about aesthetics, it's about functionality, creativity, and making the most of the space you have. Modern desk designs combine sleek lines and minimalist styles, perfect for enhancing productivity while fitting seamlessly into any workspace. If you're looking for modern desk designs that balance style and function, there are several options to consider, especially when designing a study desk or office desk. Study desk designs often focus on space optimization, providing room for books, gadgets, and study materials. For students or professionals, study desk ideas like incorporating hidden storage or adjustable features can boost comfort and efficiency. Whether you need a minimalist desk for a small room or a standing desk for better ergonomics, there are study desk models to match every need. If you're looking to start a study desk project, consider building one with modular shelving or a foldable design that saves space when not in use. For those aiming to refresh an existing setup, study desk renovation can be a fun and rewarding process, allowing you to customize your space for modern needs. Decoration also plays a key role in boosting the appeal of your workspace. With the right study desk decoration, you can transform an ordinary desk into a motivating study area. Adding personalized elements like photos, greenery, or practical organizers not only enhances functionality but also promotes productivity. For those interested in DIY, study desk construction and study desk installation can be exciting projects that allow for complete customization based on personal preferences. For offices, modern office desk ideas focus on sleek, contemporary designs that complement a professional environment. Whether it's about desk renovation projects or choosing the right desk materials, the key is balancing aesthetics with functionality. With a thoughtfully designed study desk or office desk, you can create a workspace that feels inspiring and productive. If you're planning a workspace upgrade, consider pairing a study desk with a bookcase for extra storage and visual appeal. This combination is both practical and stylish, providing ample space for books and decor items. Finally, when it comes to desk decoration tips, less is more. Opt for clean lines, minimal clutter, and smart storage solutions to keep your space organized and inviting. Whether you're creating a study desk from scratch or sprucing up an old one, remember that the right design can enhance productivity and create a more pleasant work environment. If you enjoyed these study desk design ideas, be sure to subscribe for more creative project tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos on desk designs, workspace renovation, and much more.